Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the brand new tool deals. Yes, new tools deals just dropped. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply from my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, we're here at the OPE. We got some Milwaukee bogo deals. They're still running these, so if you guys could hack them, you guys are going to get really good deals. Remember guys, you guys cannot do it online anymore. You guys have to walk into the store and return the battery or the tool separately in person. So basically in the store. So you got to buy any of those and get a free battery on both of them. The ones on the top, you get a 6 amp hour HO battery. The better batteries, this one you get a 5. So after the discounts, you guys are going to get some really good deals. So definitely check them out. Alright, so this one they're still having these on clearance already. So I don't know if they're upgrading or they just they're just changing the design on these, but they're up on clearance. Some of these already on the clearance section on some stores, and it seems weird because they just barely released them. Alright, so they got this one, was 139 down to 105. It's a 26-inch 5-drawer chest, top chest. So it's pretty nice. Alright, clearance section. So we're going to be looking at the clearance section here. They got these bits, drill bits. These are massive. These are SDS Max, 109.97. Like I said, I always say, make sure you guys scan the item. Make sure you guys, and they got some 10 pounds of screws there. Deckmate, 41 bucks. Yes, guys, make sure you guys have the associates scan all the items, because sometimes these are older tags and you might get them for cents. You never know. So you got brushless 18 bolt brush, half an inch hammer drill, $98 down from $139. It's actually not too bad. You got this one's a 100-footer real long tape measure, 33 bucks. And they got this miter saw, is a 7 1/4 miter saw. It is not a slider, it doesn't say. So it is a Ryobi, $91 down from $129. Not too bad if you just got to do a few cuts here and there. Makita 4.5-inch diamond cup wheel, $56 down from $61. It's a really nice wheel. As a matter of fact, I got to buy one of these because I got to do some concrete grinding. And talking about grinding, make sure you guys wear your safety respirators at all times when you're grinding concrete or doing concrete work. 1988, your choice here. Pretty much you got universal fit carbide oscillating blades, 2-in-1. You got a 50 discs pack of discs, Diablo. Alright, so they're still running these BOGO deals. A lot of stores running out of these tools, the better tools. So make sure you guys jump on this SAP as soon as possible if you're going to buy anything. So $2.99, you got the 2.6 amp hour high output battery. These are the better batteries, better deals. You can get the for free. You can get the rocket light. You can get the impact wrench. That's the 3/8 impact wrench. You can get the angle grinder. I believe that's the search. Yeah, that's the search impact driver. The hammer drill, the sander, the router, the pack out vac. I do have that pack out vac. That thing's a beast. You got one-handed reciprocating saw. You get the rubber light, the oscillating tool. Oscillating tool and the sander, not really the best ones. I would recommend you guys get other ones. Any of the other ones where it's going to be a pretty good deal. But the rocket light's probably the best deal. So $199. This is the cheaper starter kit. This is a 5 amp hour and a, sorry guys, 2 amp hour. I just got out of work. It's really hot out there. It's just hard to concentrate. Alright, so you got a search, and you get a hammer drill, a sander, oscillating tool, and a light. So that's pretty decent deal. I would definitely go for the hammer drill. I did get the hammer drill. So I got the hammer drill. That thing's a beast. So if you guys want to check out that video, make sure you guys look at my see if I can link it up above, right hand corner up. And then they got plenty of batteries to go with. The problem is with these is the tools. The tools, they tend to the better ones tend to fly off the shelves. Alright, so $34.88. This is oscillating multi-tool blade kit, 7-piece. So you got the nice metal ones on the top, and then you got the plastic and wood on the bottom. So it tells you right there, multi-material and straight metal. So just depending on what you're cutting. You got the countersink set, 1997, done from 24.97. You got the right angle adapter, 1997. Then you got the hammer drill. That's the tool you guys are gonna select for free with the cheaper kit, the cheaper, the 199. So you got some nice deals there. You got the impact driver, you got the hammer drill. The light's definitely a good one. Alright, so on to the other side. This is a 149. It looks like a 2-tool combo kit. And then you got a 2-pack of batteries, the 3 amp hour batteries for $99. And then you got a 1-pack of $79. You got $179 for the brushless 2-tool combo kit. Definitely go for the brushless instead of the regular brushed for $149. So definitely go for the $179 one. If you can get the fuel, it's gonna be a lot better than this brushless one. I guarantee you that, because I have both. And I don't have the non-brushed, but definitely the brushless, it's a beast. It's really hard to control because it's just variable speed on the trigger. But I'm talking about the impact driver, by the way. But it is really powerful. It's a beast. All right, so you got $39.97. You got a 3/8 drive socket set, 8-piece. Like the markings on those, the white big markings. You got the reciprocating saw blades. You get a free wrecker. 19.90 cents, a good deal on that one. Then you got the hole dozer, so $136 value, 13 piece, 44 bucks. All right, there's the backup vacuum. This is the one that I have. That thing's a beast. It's gonna come out to $126 if you guys hack it. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw there to the left. You got the rocket light there at the bottom. I think that's a better deal. So if you don't have it, I'm just thinking about picking up a second one. Should I? Alright, so you got the angle grinder there. There's the fuel. You got the 3/8 impact wrench, the fuel. So that's one of the better ones that they have. And then you got the router there. It's hidden between those little posts. Alright, so you got the ratchet. You got the starter kit, $69 for the 2-pack of 1.3 amp hour batteries. Those are really small batteries, by the way. So I would just definitely, just buy another tool. You're probably going to get those batteries in a kit, cheaper in a kit. So you got $49 for this portable power station. Got $99 your choice here. Impact driver, drill drive. Those are weak, by the way. They're for smaller stuff. They're really good, but they are kind of on the weak side. So just to let you know, if you guys want to upgrade on the M12, definitely go fuel. Fuel, you can't go wrong with that. You got a nice 5-piece 2 combo kit for $199. I would definitely invest on something, like I said, at least brushless or fuel. It is tempting though, because it's a lot of Milwaukee tools for $199. Alright, so they got a 2-pack of it looks like 3s for $199. You got the installation driver for $179. That is the kit, so you get a battery and a charger. 2 batteries and a charger, my bad. You got these are the fuels. These are the ones that I was telling you guys. These are really strong. $189. So if you want a compact and strong, that's a nice. And you got the bigger, large chisel marker ink saw, $4.97. You guys see the difference between the regular and the thicker one. So it's clog resistant. All right, you got some blades. There's some utility blades. There's the tools there at the bottom. And I still got these buy one get one free, $79.97. You get a free power source. On this store they already ran out because a lot of people hack these, and still a great deal because you're getting an extra battery on that light, and plus you can charge your cell phone with that. So they got these really good deals. These are this is a rear handle circular saw for $249. You can get a free tool, or you can get the impact driver or drill driver. This is a hammer drill. $279. So really good deals. Get to choose from the hammer drill there to the left. You got the circular saw, 6.5. You got the reciprocating saw. You got the jigsaw. You got the impact driver. You got the oscillating tool. Yeah, those are really good tools. Especially that rear handle. My neighbor is he's in construction, so he uses that rear handle. I think it's a beast. So it's not the fastest, I'll tell you that. It's not the fastest, but it's a beast. So definitely check it out. Alright, so they got the new deals, guys. New deals just dropped. So these are the new Dewalt deals. Yes, they look similar. Actually, they look just about the same as last year. So if you missed out on it last year, or if you bought one of the tools and you need to get another one that they had and you missed it, so this is your chance. They got these drills for 99 bucks. Gonna look at them right now. Alright, they got 2-pack of shaker here. It's a 3 amp hour, 129 down from 189. Alright, so they got this 30 piece. They got some nice nut drivers there at the bottom. You got some square drives, some Phillips 2-inch bits, some nice nut drivers there. You got the guide sleeve there. You got the Max Fit set there, 12 bucks. That's a really good deal on that one. You got the black and gold here. It's a pretty good deal on this one too. 10 piece, $9.97. You got the impact driver kit with 2 batteries for $99. Charger in a bag. So you're getting the bare bone batteries, guys. You're not getting the nice, with the fuel gauge. Just keep that in mind when you're buying these kits, the cheaper kits. They're still pretty good deals. The two themselves are pretty solid. So this is the starter kit you're gonna get for $149. You have to buy this so you guys can get a free tool. One of the free tools is this sander. So this sander is valued at $159. That is a kit there, and that is the one with the fuel gauge, by the way, the battery with the fuel gauge. You can buy the impact driver or the drill by themselves or with both of them as a combo for $169. That's there at the bottom. That's a pretty good kit. Got the oscillating tool for $159. You got the screw gun. This is the one that I want to get. So this is the drywall screw gun for $159. So pretty good deals on these. Alright, so you got the fan. This is Jobsite fan, $139. I believe it's not the one that runs with an extension cord. I think it's just a battery. It runs off a battery. So you got $31.99 for the 6-pack of trigger clamps. Got the 12-inch. So you guys really got some nice sets there. Total of 6 pieces. There's the 6 and the 12. Pretty good stuff. So you get 2 of each. Alright, so you got the combo here. This is a compressor and a this is the earphones Jobsite. I personally would just go Amazon and just buy myself a cheaper one. Unless you really like these, Let me know down in the comment section if you got those, if they're good, if you like them. $24.88. You got those bags. Pretty cheap. And then they got these, guys. These are different. So they got the serrated blades, 50-pack. They got the hook blades, 75-pack. And they got the drywall blades, 100-pack. So it just depends on your needs. You got $24.88. This 13-inch tool bag or tool backpack. It is fairly light. It's kind of like not the heavy duty type you guys see with the rubber bottom. It doesn't feel like that. Feels a little bit on the lighter side, so it might be for lighter tools. So definitely consider it for lighter tools. You got the 1/2-inch torque wrench. You got some and the 3/8 torque wrench to the right. Alright, so you got the folding lock back utility knife, $5.97. It's not too bad. It does come with 10 extra blades. You get 2 different colors. Alright guys, we got the BOGO deals. $3.99. You got the hammer drill, impact driver kit, 5 amp hour battery. Those are really, really good tools. I do have both of those. Those things are a beast. And that is the hammer drill. So top loader hammer drill. You're going to get to select from the reciprocating saw, the circular saw. What is the subcompact brushless multi-tool? You got the X-Lock angle grinder, and then you got the regular angle grinder. So you get to select from all those tools for free. So if you guys hack that thing's gonna be, those are gonna be cheap tools. I'm definitely thinking of getting that angle grinder, the X-Lock, trying it out. Like I said, if you guys own any of these tools, let me know that in the comment section if you guys like them. I know there's a lot of guys that don't like Makita. They just stick with the red and the yellow. But I think these are pretty decent deals. I mean, pretty good deals, definitely. This one's a really good deal too. Check out 2 blades for 24 bucks for diamond blades. Those are cheap. Alright, so you got the 8-piece combo kit here for $3.99. I do apologize for cutting half of it off, but it's a pretty nice combo kit. It did have this last year. I don't know. Can't remember exactly if they had all these tools. It looks just about the same though. But it's a pretty decent deal. You got these X-Lock discs. Pretty much everything. You got a metal cutoff discs. 2 different types. And then you got some flaps. You got some grinding discs. Those are grinding. And then you guys see the middle part. And they do fit the regular angle grinders. So if you guys have your regular angle grinder, it should fit in there too. So it says fits standard and X-Lock. So just keep that in mind when you're buying these. Alright, so they got this I haven't seen before. This is the cold box, 27 quart, 69 bucks. So $69.97. That's a pretty good deal for this one. Talking about Milwaukee and Craftsman and all those being really expensive. So for 70 bucks, I think this is a really good deal. It is on the thicker side. So looks like it's mostly going to be like a Yeti box. So I don't know. We got to try this out. We got to test this out. Something about getting something like this. Hopefully for the channel we can test it out for you guys. Alright, so $29.97. They got this organizer. Down from $34.88. And those cold boxes are new to this. I haven't seen those before. I've seen these. This is a really good deal too. If they're going to be doing this, I don't know exactly what the final price is going to be because it doesn't say, but it tells you the individual prices. So $59.97 for the rolling. You got $34.97 for the bigger, the Pro box, and $24.97 for the. So yeah. So I don't know what the deal is going to be with it. And also, guys, they had all these deals covered up. I don't know if they're going to be releasing them today because I recorded this yesterday, the 8th. So I don't know if they're going to be releasing this on the 9th. So I don't know. We'll have to come back and check it out. So you guys are probably going to be watching this on the 10th, by the way. So today is the 9th, and I recorded this yesterday on the 8th. So it wasn't up yet. So hopefully I can get these deals up and tell you guys what's going on with these. Because a lot of this is very interesting because they are including some of this new Ryobi Link stuff. You know, toolboxes there. And then we got the HP tools there on the top. So I don't know if you got the buy one get one free or you get some sort of discounts. Alright, so they got the Ryobi impact drive set there, 50 piece, all $14.97. Now this is very interesting. They do have some nice impact rated. You got the 1/2 inch and 9/16 sockets, and then they got the black oxide. And then they got this 50 piece here. It's a pretty nice set. So I haven't tried these new sets. I tried some of the older Ryobi bits. They were trash. I haven't tried these new ones. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys tried those bits, if you guys like them or they're trash. And then they still got these, guys. Make sure you guys jump on these before they sell out. A lot of the better tools, like I said, they're going to sell out. So you can get the $199 kit. You can get any of those for free. Obviously, the chainsaw is going to be the better deal. The reciprocating saw, all those are pretty good deals. The hammer drill is pretty solid. The angle grinder, I heard mixed reviews about that one. So you can get the circular saw, the blower, the impact wrench. I want to get that impact wrench. So definitely check it out, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. I already made this video too long anyways. So don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.